What's going on, people? Welcome to a new vlog. We met, I don't know if I mentioned it on a previous vlog, but we were at the pier and we met the public relation for this hotel, and we got talking, and then told him that we wanted to change room because there was some noise that's been going on at some points during the night, and it happened a few times already. So while we were at dinner, she said, let me see if I can change rooms if there's anything available. And she did change, she did check on the front desk, and guess what? We are getting an upgrade to a better room, supposedly. And it's good to, I guess, network. I just want to give a big shout out to Alejandra for taking care of us. Right now we just pack. We're gonna go to our new room. I'm gonna give you guys a tour. I think it's the same room, but we'll see. And then we're gonna make it a pool afternoon. Go relax there a little bit in the water, and then probably watch the sunset one more time, like we did. They had nice, beautiful sunset yesterday. Nice, colorful, peachy pink color, and it reflects on the water. And golden hour was just awesome. So I will see you guys there. Right now we are on our way to our new room.
You go on the back side to the spa.
It says the back side of the spa.
Yeah.
So we're kind of hidden. It's kind of nice. It's gonna be nice and quiet. Oh, it doesn't work.
It does.
Welcome.
Thank you.
So this is our new room. It's pretty much basically set up the same way. Of course, the dual sink, his and hers. And of course, that's me. The only thing I don't get is, like, why is it so low? It's like you have to like bend down to like wipe your hands and all that. And of course, the closets, his and hers robe, safe, but that's the same. Go on, of course, your slipper, complimentary. And then in here, and this is one thing I don't, ooh, this is different. There's only one switch. Oh, guess what? Oh, that's the same switch. I got excited. So on the other one, you have to turn the switch on the outside to go to the bathroom. So it's the bathroom setup, the shower, of course, and then the mirror if you want to look at yourself. The tub with jets in them. Of course, the king size bed, TV, and some aromatic stuff that's new. Diffuser, I think. We still have our refrigerator here. Let's see. Yeah, we still got some juice, some sodas, beer, and some water out there. And this one's still the same. We got our own mini bar. Of course, we got the rum, vodka. What else is here? Some tequila and some whiskey. So that's the same. And then of course, the wine with the wine glasses and our little dining table. Sorry for the mess. And then
I get a fancy bag. He said it's for me.
what do you got in there?
Ooh, we've got 2 towels. Oh, it's like a beach bag. So I can take this down to the beach. Cool.
Nice.
Some extra towels.
Is that to take home?
Yeah. I assume so.
Okay, we got more stuff to pack in our bag. I bought a Azteca warrior blanket that's like huge, and that's like hand woven. I really like the design and all that, so hopefully we have room to take all this stuff home, and hopefully it's gonna be less than 50 pounds. So this is our room, by the way. So, and the thing that makes a big difference is, of course, the view. Can you open this at least so we can show them the view? So this is different. Now we have ocean view up front. That's the cevicheria. Looks like they're gonna have a party tonight. The pier, and then ocean view, of course. So it's gonna be a nice time lapse here. I'll probably set one up tonight and see how that one goes. So that is our new room. Once again, thank you Alejandra for accommodating us. We really appreciate it. She is the public relations of this hotel. Again, thank you very much. I'll see you guys at the pool. And now we're gonna go to the pool and relax, cool off a little bit, and we will see you guys there. Here's my waitress trying to give me a drink.
Okay, so I've been seeing this drink a lot, and so I finally had to ask what it was, and it's called a Miami Vice. So it's a pina colada with strawberry daiquiri mixed in. So I finally get to try it,
How is it though?
and it's delicious.
Yeah. It is pretty nice and quiet here, relaxing. People are just talking. People are reading books, and I'm just by the poolside here, feeling the water. It's kind of cold though when you get out of the water, so I'm still deciding if I should go in or not. So that was our pool session. I only went halfway in, just sitting at the edge of the pool. That was the pool session. I did not go in because I get cold easily. So it was a little breeze, and when it was not cold, it was cool. So I still did not go in. I just sat there at the edge and had a drink, just relax. I'm cold right now. So after getting off, how was the pool?
Oh, refreshing.
Yeah.
I've been waiting for it all day because we were walking around the downtown and it was really hot. So it's nice and refreshing. Had a little drink, and now we're just gonna relax a little bit. Oh, watch the sunset from our balcony.
Yeah, so we're gonna watch the sunsets. It's a different view from our previous room. Probably gonna set a time lapse. Hopefully the coconuts will not block it, and we're just gonna sit at the balcony and enjoy it. So let's get going.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Or you turn away throw your stuff away before you make up your mind.